Are you guys tired of troubleshooting your rig, only to find out that your risers burn again? Well, guess what? You don't need them! What's up guys? My name is Majjin and welcome to the cave. If you want to contact me, you can contact me at majjin@miningcave.com. If you guys are interested into cryptocurrencies related hardware, software, or cryptocurrencies itself, you are at the right place. Let's go ahead with the presentation. This is a GPU box. It's a complete riserless solution for your mining equipment. It can mine many algorithms like eTash, Equihash, NeoScript, and many more. More specific detail about this product on the MiningCave website, link in the description. Let me show you what's inside. So this is the interior of our GPU box. As you can see here, PCI slots are directly onto the board. This is the actual motherboard. It is mounted on a PCI slot. Let me show you how it looks. Integrated Intel CPU, 4 GB of RAM, and support for SATA HDD. Also in the front, we have 2 Ethernet ports, 1 HDMI port, and 2 USB ports. Note that when you're using simple mining, only one of the 2 Ethernet ports will be activated. The GPU are connected with those 6-pin connector. Well, it's actually 6 plus 2 pin, 8-pin connector. If your GPU require 2x 8-pin connector, we do have the connector you need to fit your GPU. So let's put some GPU inside of this to show you how it looks. With all the GPU inserted. As you can see here, we have some gap between the card for the airflow to go through the box. Remember that there are 4 90mm fans that are pushing air into this box. So the maximum width of a card to fit in is 45mm. It's really important to leave a gap between the cards. If you prefer high-end card with thicker heatsink, we do have a solution for this, but it's gonna be in another video. Let me show you where to connect the power supply. If you turn your miner around, you can see here, there is 8 6-pin connector to connect your power supply. MiningCave offers a lot of power supply, but this is something that I'm gonna show you in another video. So this is it guys for my presentation of the GPU box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to our channel as we're gonna review many cryptocurrency related stuff in the future. We want to release a new video every week. We want to get the community involved to get better knowledge to the community. So be sure to hang around with us.